today I will talk about how can you disable education notifications on your Olymptrade app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse, just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. So then you click here on settings. You come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. So then you click here on notifications. You come here to education here. Just click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's main education notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. I wish know you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So thank you for your watching.